Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. For today, we are looking at this question and it says 3 to the power of x plus 1 minus 3 to the power of x minus 1 equals to 30. So from here, we are going to solve for the value of x from this given equation. The equation is 3 to the power of x plus 1 minus 3 to the power of x minus 1 equals to 30. We have this in this equation to find the value of x. So what we are going to do is for us to express this exponent in identical form so that we will be able to evaluate each of these sections so that we find the value of x. Let's say we have 1. 1 can be written as minus 1 plus 2. If you add minus 1 plus 2, it will still give you 1. Because why we want to do that, we have x minus 1 here. We look for a situation where we have x minus 1 in this other side. For us to do that, we need to break down this 1 to have minus 1 plus 2. So here, we are going to substitute in the place of 1, we put minus 1 plus 2. So this will become 3 to the power of x plus, in the place of 1, we will put minus 1 plus 2. Then we have minus 3 to the power of x minus 1 equals to 30. We bring down this. So this is what we substitute. In the place of 1, we put minus 1 plus 2. You see the same thing. So let us expand this parenthesis. We have 3 to the power of x plus this plus times minus will give us minus. So we have here minus 1. Then this will remain plus times plus will give us plus 2. Then this will remain minus 3 to the power of x minus 1 equals to 30. So here, we can see that we have x minus 1 here, and we also have x minus 1 here. Let us recall a law that says, note, when we have a to the power of x plus c is same thing as a to the power of x times a to the power of c. So we want to break this down into this format. So here, we'll group this in the sense that we have 3 to the power of x minus 1. This way, we have plus 2. Then we bring down minus 3 to the power of x minus 1 equals to 30. We just group this so that we have x minus 1 here. We have x minus 1 here. That is what we wanted to have. So now, we are going to express this in this format. So this will become 3 to the power of x minus 1 times 3 to the power of 2. We have minus 3 to the power of x minus 1 equals to 30. So in this case, we have 3 to the power of x minus 1 here, and we also have it here. So they are identical. We can factor it out. So this will become 3 to the power of x minus 1. When we divide the whole of here by 3 to the power of x minus 1, it will give us 3 to the power of 2. Dividing the whole of here by here will give us minus 1, all equals to 30. We can write this as 3 to the power of x minus 1 into 3 to the power of 2 is 9. Then 9 minus, we have 9 minus 1 equals to 30. We can see that 9 minus 1 is 8. So in this place, we can write it here 8. So 9 minus 1 is 8. So we come over to this other side. We have 3 to the power of x minus 1 into 8 equals to 30. So this is what we have now. So here, we can see that for us to find the value of x in this side, what we are going to do is for us to divide both sides by 8. So this will become 3 to the power of x minus 1 times 8 divided by 8 equals to 30 divided by 8. 8 will cancel here and 8 will cancel here. We are now left with 3 to the power of x minus 1 equals to 30 divided by 8. So here, we can use 2 to cancel. 2 will cancel here, 15. 2 will cancel here, 4. So we are now left with 3 to the power of x minus 1 equals to 15 divided by 4. So this is what we have. So here, for us to further simplify this, we need to apply log to both sides. So this will become log 3 to the power of x minus 1 equals to log 15 divided by 4. This is what we have. So here, we also recall a law that says that when we have log a to the power of x equals to x log a. So expressing this in this format, this will give us x minus 1 log 3 equals to log 15 divided by 4. So this is what we have now. So in this case, we need to clean here or come over to this other side. So we have here as x minus 1 log 3 equals to log 15 divided by 4. So here we need to divide both sides by log 3. So this will be divided by log 3 and this divided by log 3. Log 3 will cancel here and log 3 will cancel here. We are now left with x minus 1 equals to log 15 divided by 4 all divided by log 3. We recall another law of logarithm that says when we have log a divided by b is same thing as log a minus log b. So here we are going to express this in this format. So this will become x minus 1 equals to log 15 minus log 4 all divided by log 3. So this is what we have now. So we can separate this. So this will become x minus 1 equals to log 15 divided by log 3. We have here minus log 4 divided by log 3. So here we can divide here. 15 can be written as 3 times 5. So this will become x minus 1 equals to log 3 times 5 divided by log 3 minus log 4 divided by log 3. So in this case, we come over to this other side so that we have the value of x minus 1 equals to, we have here log 3 times 5. We recall another law of logarithm that says when we have log a b is same thing as log a plus log b. So expressing this in that format, we are going to have log 3 plus log 5 all divided by log 3. We have minus log 4 divided by, we have here log 3. So we express this in that format. So we are going to separate each of these. So we have x minus 1 equals to log 3 divided by log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 3. Then we have minus, we bring down log 4 divided by log 3. So here log 3 will cancel here and log 3 will cancel here. We are now left with x minus 1 equals to 1 plus log 5 divided by log 3 minus log 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2 all over log 3. So in this case, we can simply transpose minus 1 to this other side. So this will become x equals to, when this transpose into this other side become 1, we have plus 1, we have plus log 5 all over log 3 minus this, expressing that in this format. Okay, we've cleaned it. So expressing, we will simply turn these two to the front of the log. So this will become 2 log 2 all over log 3. So this is what we have. So in this case, we need to add this. Before we do that, we are going to recall one law that says when we have log a all over log b is same thing as log a base b. This is change of base format. So we are going to change this base to this format. So that will give us x equals to 1 plus 1 become 2 plus we have here log 5 base 3 minus 2 log 2 base 3. So this is the value of x that we have and it satisfies this equation. But we will do a little check for us to see whether that value of x satisfies that equation. So we are given our equation as 3 to the power of x plus 1 minus 3 to the power of x minus 1 equals to 30. When we substitute the value of x in this situation, whether we'll have the sum as 30. So let's try that. So we have here 3 to the power of x here will become 2 plus log 5 base 3 minus base 3 minus 2 log 2 base 3. Then we have here plus 1. So this other side we have minus 3 to the power of, in the place of x we have 2 plus log 5 base 3. We have minus, so we need to go away with this so that we have space. So here we have minus 2 log 2 base 3. We have here minus 1. When we add this, will this equals to 30? So here we can see that we have this. So 2 plus 1 will become 3. So we have here 3 to the power of 3 plus log 5 base 3 minus 2 log 2 base 3 minus, we bring down 3 to the power of, we have a 2 minus 1 will give us 1. So this will become 1 plus log 5 base 3 minus 2 log 2 base 3. Will this equals to 30? Let's find out. So in this case, we can see that we have this. We recall a law of indices. Another law that says when we have a to the power of x plus c is same thing as a to the power of x times a to the power of c. So expressing this in that format, this is going to give us 3 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of log 5 base 3 times 3 to the power of minus 2 log 2 base 3. Then we bring down minus. Then we have 3 to the power of 1 times 3 to the power of log 5 base 3. We have times 3 to the power of minus 2 log 2 base 3. Will this equals to 30? So in this case, this is what we have. So here we have 3 to the power of 3, which will give us 27. Then we have here, we recall another law that says when we have a to the power of log b base a will becomes b. So in this case, expressing this in that format, this is going to give us times 5. And here will become times 3 to the power of log 2 to the power of minus 2 base 3. So here will become minus 3 to the power of 1 is 3 times, we have here the whole of here will become 5. So here will become 5. So here is same thing as times 3 to the power of log 2 to the power of minus 2 base 3. Will this equals to 30? So here we have 27 times 5. We have 135 times. So the whole of here will become 2 to the power of minus 2. We have minus, we bring down 3 times 5, become 15 times. We have here, the whole of here will become 2 to the power of minus 2. Will this equals to 30? So let's find out. So here is same thing as having 135 divided by 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Minus, we have here 15 all over the same thing divided by 4. Will this equals to 30? So here, when we find the LCM, this is going to give us 4. We have 135 minus 15 will give us 120. This other side become 30. We know that if 4 cancel here and 4 cancel here, we have 30. Therefore, 30 equals to 30. So what we have here is what we have here. Therefore, x equals to 2 plus log 5 base 3 minus 2 log 2 base 3 satisfy this given equation. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share video for more interesting topic. Thank you.